Chapter 1. A Familiar Landmark. The merman left without even speaking to them. Finn and Kit exchanged grins. "I think we're on our own with finding the next monument," said Kit. It had been a long day. They were all close to exhaustion. Pablo helped them create a makeshift shelter at the edge of the beach. "Night is coming," he told them. "Sleep now and recover your strength. I have a feeling you will need all your energy tomorrow." The next morning was bright and sunny. Shumi and Monk were playing close. Pablo listened to them playing, a wistful look on his face. "It is great to hear Shumi laugh," he told Izzy. "Sometimes it can be lonely for her here." Finn was studying the map. "I know why the Guardian left us here," he said in excitement. "The next monument is back in the town, with the huge statue we flew under on the way here." "That's the port of Yaneth," said Pablo. "The quickest way back here is by boat. Let me help you make a coracle." Pablo explained that a coracle was a small boat, similar in shape to half a walnut shell. The three friends collected armfuls of bamboo. Pablo showed them how to weave the strips into a watertight boat. By midday, they had a boat that could take them back upriver to the sea and the port of Yaneth. "Where's Monk?" asked Finn, as they prepared to set sail. Shumi was standing by the boat. Monk was close at her side. "I think Monk may be needed here, Finn," said Izzy softly. Finn's heart sank. The little monkey had been through so many adventures with them. Had he decided to stay here? "You have helped us so much," he told Monk. "Our quest is nearly over. You must feel free to choose what you do next." Monk gave Finn a quick hug. He turned to hold Shumi's hand. He had made his choice. Pablo handed Izzy a conch shell. "Keep this somewhere safe," he told her. "Blow into it if you find yourself in trouble. Remember, music can be a powerful weapon." Izzy was puzzled. Surely music could only ever be used for good. She thanked Pablo and tucked the shell safely into a deep pocket. This quest had taught her never to ignore good advice.